Welcome back to the CR Auto channel. Today we're diving into something truly special, the 2026 Mercedes SL R129, a modern reinvention of one of the most iconic roadsters in automotive history. Mercedes has always been known for blending timeless elegance with cutting-edge innovation, and this new SL R129 is a perfect example of how a legendary nameplate can be brought into the future while still respecting its heritage. From the very first glance, this car commands attention, and as we explore its design, performance, interior, and price, you'll see why it's one of the most anticipated luxury roadsters of the year. The exterior of the 2026 Mercedes SL R129 is a masterclass in modern design with a nostalgic touch. The long hood, low stance, and sculpted body lines pay tribute to the classic R129 of the 1990s, yet everything feels sharper, sleeker, and more aerodynamic. The LED headlights are slim and aggressive, wrapping around into the fenders for a futuristic appearance. The large grille with the prominent Mercedes star sits proudly at the center, emphasizing strength and elegance. Around the sides, the car features clean surfaces with bold character lines that highlight its sporty proportions. The retractable hardtop roof has been completely re-engineered to be lighter and more seamless, allowing you to enjoy the SL experience as both a stylish coupe and an open-top roadster. At the back, the slim taillights stretch across the rear, giving it a wide and powerful look, while the quad exhaust tips underline its performance credentials. Every angle of this car makes a statement, combining heritage with modern luxury. Performance is where the SL R129 truly shines, as Mercedes has engineered it to deliver both thrilling speed and refined comfort. The base model is powered by a turbocharged inline-six engine that produces impressive horsepower with silky smooth delivery, while higher trims offer a twin-turbocharged V8 that pushes performance into true supercar territory. Acceleration is lightning quick, taking the car from 0 to 60 in just a few seconds, and the top speed comfortably exceeds the limits most drivers will ever reach. The 2026 SL R129 also features Mercedes' advanced 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system, ensuring traction and stability even under demanding conditions. Adaptive suspension provides a perfect balance between comfort for long drives and stiffness for spirited cornering, while the lightweight chassis makes the car feel agile and responsive. Whether cruising along the coast with the roof down or carving through winding mountain roads, this car offers a driving experience that feels both exhilarating and refined. Inside, the cabin of the 2026 Mercedes SL R129 is nothing short of spectacular. Mercedes has crafted an interior that blends high-tech innovation with timeless luxury. Premium leather upholstery, brushed aluminum accents, and finely detailed stitching create a sense of craftsmanship and elegance. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a large, curved digital display that integrates the instrument cluster and infotainment system, offering crisp graphics and intuitive controls. The latest MBUX system supports voice commands, augmented reality navigation, and wireless connectivity, making the driving experience more connected and convenient than ever. The seats are both sporty and supremely comfortable, with multiple adjustment options, heating, cooling, and massage functions. Ambient lighting allows you to customize the atmosphere with a wide range of colors, while the premium Burmester sound system delivers crystal-clear audio for the perfect soundtrack to your journey. Even practical details have been considered, such as improved storage, smart climate control, and driver assistance systems that make every trip safer and more enjoyable. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Mercedes SL R129 is positioned as a true luxury roadster, offering performance and exclusivity that justify its cost. The base version is expected to start around $120,000, which is competitive for a car of this class and heritage. Higher trims with the more powerful engines, advanced performance features, and additional luxury options can push the price closer to $180,000 or more. While this certainly places it in the premium category, buyers are not just paying for a car, but for a statement of style, performance, and history. For enthusiasts who appreciate the legacy of the R129 and want the latest in modern luxury, this price range feels well justified. the 2026 Mercedes SL R129 is not just another luxury roadster, it is a celebration of a legend brought into the modern era. With its striking exterior, powerful performance, luxurious interior, and competitive pricing for what it offers, it is destined to be one of the most desirable cars in its segment. Mercedes has succeeded in honoring the past while embracing the future, creating a car that is both nostalgic and innovative. It's the kind of vehicle that makes driving feel special again, blending elegance with excitement in a way only Mercedes can deliver. That wraps up our detailed review of the 2026 Mercedes SL R129. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most exciting cars of the year, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews and automotive content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.